ServiceNow partners with Ferrari Hypercar to connect teams, systems, and data.
The hypercar is composed by thousands of components, working perfectly in harmony. But behind it, there is another machine. And the real machine is composed by persons, processes, data, technology, everything working together.
When everything moves in sync, precision becomes performance. That's how Ferrari harnesses control at 200 miles per hour.
ServiceNow is enabling us to maintain the same common layer, the same standards delivered to all our team.
We have now the connection of an ecosystem made up of dealers, suppliers, and employees, all on the single platform where we cover several processes with a wide view of what's happening for each software that we use in Ferrari.
With ServiceNow, we are able to connect the entire life cycle of the engineering process. When a driver pushes the car to the limit, we need to deliver him a car that is seamless and perfect to drive. We use ServiceNow to collect all this information, so not only the fault, but on which car it was, the mileage, photo, etc. And then as soon as you upload it, all the people within the group is aware of it. We can race on the other side of the globe, but here the people that works for us have directly access to the information.
So we're like the engine behind the engine.
Now it starts with the people, how they work together, and then the car you see running on track is actually the result of that.
At Ferrari, that spans dozens of systems and a global network of 25,000 employees, suppliers, and contractors.
Everything is related to orchestration. We need to orchestrate all the tools, all the processes, and all the people, allowing them to work in the better way.
Our ambition is to have the same precision also in business operations, so we aim to have speed, clarity of execution in our business processes.
At the basis, we are using the same standards, the same tools, the same workflows, and this means that we are simply putting it at a different scale.
Everyone in the organization looks at the same data, shares the same information, and at the end of the day, this results in faster processes, faster resolution time of issues, and quicker action plan, definitely.
People can actually focus on what matters, bringing performance and innovating, and to pursue this marginal gain.
When Ferrari Hypercar works, the world works.